Welcome to Bike Zone Pro, where heritage meets horsepower. Today's spotlight is on one of the most anticipated bikes of the year, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead. The return of the Shovelhead name is more than just a retro revival, it's a celebration of Harley's rebellious roots, built with today's technology. If you're someone who respects vintage iron but expects modern reliability, this is a bike you'll want to hear about. Legacy of the Shovelhead, a rebel reborn. The original Shovelhead engine was born in 1966 and carried Harley through 2 decades of cultural and mechanical transformation. It was the engine of choice for chopper builders, outlaws, and long-haul riders. Known for its distinctive rocker box shape, it earned its nickname by resembling the head of a coal shovel. Fast forward to 2025, Harley-Davidson has resurrected the Shovelhead name, not as a direct replica, but as a tribute. A machine that captures the soul of the original while re-engineering it for modern roads, riders, and regulations. Design, tough looks with elegant details. One glance at the 2025 Shovelhead and you know what it is: bold, muscular, and unapologetically old school. The bike retains classic lines, a peanut-style fuel tank, dual staggered exhausts, and a solo-sprung saddle. But look closer, and you'll notice subtle refinements: CNC machined components, high-gloss powder-coated parts, and modern build quality under the vintage facade. It features a dark steel frame with polished accents, wire-spoke wheels, and fenders that hug the tires like they're pulled from a 70s catalog. The Shovelhead isn't just about nostalgia, it's about making a statement wherever you ride. Engine and performance, classic character, modern muscle. At its core lies the 121 Ci Milwaukee 8 engine, modified to visually resemble the old Shovelhead mill. With redesigned rocker boxes that mimic the old shovel shape and finned heads that harken back to the 70s, Harley has created a perfect blend of form and function. Producing 105 horsepower and 130 lb-ft of torque, this bike pulls hard in every gear. The low-end grunt remains its signature, making it perfect for city cruising or highway domination. Advanced engine management systems ensure smooth operation, improved fuel efficiency, and reduced heat, all while retaining that signature Harley lope at idle. Riding experience, raw, refined, and real. Throw a leg over the 2025 Shovelhead, and you're greeted by an upright, commanding riding position. The bike offers mid-controls as standard, with forward control kits available. The updated suspension system includes a hidden monoshock in the rear and telescopic forks up front, giving it a hardtail look without the hardtail punishment. Harley has fine-tuned the ride feel to keep the soul of the old Shovelhead alive. Slight vibration, a tactile clutch, and a heavy throttle. But thanks to modern engineering, it's all controlled and purposeful. The bike feels alive. Technology, hidden modernization. While the exterior screams retro, the 2025 Shovelhead comes with a suite of discrete tech upgrades. There's keyless ignition, ride modes, including Classic, Tour, and Sport, cornering ABS, and lean-sensitive traction control. A single round gauge combines analog speed with a digital display, offering trip data, gear indicator, and Bluetooth pairing, all tucked behind a smoked lens that maintains the vintage illusion. For purists, the interface is minimal. But for modern riders, the smart features are there when needed, without cluttering the classic cockpit. Sound and feel, that Shovelhead soul. Perhaps the most satisfying aspect is the sound. Harley went to great lengths to tune the exhaust and idle to resemble the old Shovel-era bikes. It's not just loud, it's rhythmic, rough-edged, and soul-stirring. The factory pipes are throaty, but for those who want the full outlaw experience, Harley offers a Stage 1 kit with slash-cut or fishtail tips. The vibration, rumble, and sound are all carefully engineered to give that mechanical feel of the past, minus the leaks, breakdowns, and overheating. Customization, made to be made yours. The 2025 Shovelhead arrives as a canvas for your imagination. Harley offers a massive catalog of bolt-on accessories, mini-ape handlebars, sissy bars, luggage racks, tank decals, and vintage paint kits. Want to turn it into a 70s bobber or a long-haul bagger? You can. They've even partnered with several custom builders to release limited edition kits, allowing customers to emulate iconic bikes from movies and history. The Shovelhead legacy was built by individual expression, and this 2025 model proudly continues that tradition. Conclusion: a worthy revival. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead isn't just a motorcycle, it's a time capsule with a throttle. By combining timeless styling with modern reliability and safety, Harley has created something truly special. It respects the old ways without being shackled by them, making it a compelling choice for both seasoned riders and younger enthusiasts seeking authenticity in a world of plastic and screens. Whether you remember the original or just admire its rebellious spirit, the new Shovelhead offers a visceral, soul-satisfying ride that connects past to present, exactly what a Harley should do. Outro: subscribe to Bike Zone Pro. Thanks for cruising with us here on Bike Zone Pro. If you enjoyed this look at the 2025 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives, reviews, and motorcycle culture. Drop a comment below and let us know, would you ride the new Shovelhead, or is there another Harley you'd rather see reborn? Until next time, keep the spirit of the road alive, and ride safe.